Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create email templates in Outlook. For that, first of all, you just have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar you will have to type outlook.live.com. This will land you on the official website of Outlook, where you just have to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your Outlook account. Now, in order to set your message as a template on Outlook, you will have to first create a new mail. In order to do this, you will have to hover over to the top left hand section where you are going to see this new mail option. So you simply need to click on new mail. Once done, you are going to see this type of dialog box in front of you. Now, in order to access more features for it, you can tap on this arrow button in the top, and then you are going to see a new window. Now you can make this new window big. Now over here in the to section, you will have to first select the person to whom you are sending your template. After that, in this section, you will have to add a subject. So after typing the subject, you will have to type the body of the email. As you can see over here that this is the email that I'm sending to my team members. So if I want to keep it as a template, then you will have to hover over to the top, and here you are going to see a bunch of different options. But among these options, you will have to click on this square box, and here you are going to see the option of my templates. So you will have to click on my templates, and then you are going to see a bunch of different templates that are previously added in your Outlook account, and you can use them in your emails. Now over here, in order to add a new template, you will have to click on template, and then you need to provide your title. So the title will be your subject. So if you want to keep your title same as your subject, then you can paste it over here. After that, in this box, you will have to provide the template that you want to use. Then you need to press this save button. Once done, you will be able to see that your title and the template is now added over here. And if you want to use this template every time, then you can use it. You will have to come to this page again, and after that you will have to click on new mail. Then you will have to again click on this arrow button, and then you will have to make this big. After that, you need to hover over to this square box in the top, and then you need to click on my templates. Now if you click on my templates, you will notice that your template that you have created previously is now over here. Now if you click on it, then you will notice that now this template is in this section, and you can use this template each time you send your message to your team members or some other friend or to some other person. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.